Hello Udo users and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will see the step-by-step guide for Aramex Udo shipping integration. So let's get started. As we download this application from the Odoo App Store, first of all we will do the company level integration. So now we'll navigate to our settings, user and companies, and go to companies. Here we have configured the demo database. So as we open it, we will mention the general information about the company and go to the Aramex configuration. When you check this box, you will mention the username, Aramex version, account PIN, password, account number, and account identity that is provided to you by the Aramex, that is the shipping provider. Once all this information are mentioned over here, your company level configuration gets completed. Now let's go to the shipping level configuration. For that we will navigate to our sales module, go to configuration and go to shipping methods. Here we have configured Aramex shipping service. So as we open it, we have selected the provider, selected the company over here. Here you can select the company as well. If you have more than one companies in our Odoo database, you can select any one of them to which Aramex is applicable. Next is the product group, the different types of product group, and we have configured them over here. You can select any one of them. Next is the units. So two measure of unit are there over here. You can select any one of them. Next is the payment type, that is prepaid and collect. Next is Aramex services. There are different types of services provided by Aramex, and you can select any one of them as per your requirement. Next is your custom value. So here I will show you. Here is the custom value. If you want to charge it, you can check this box. Next is the service type. Next is weight, unit of measure, default package, that is box over here. Next is the payment option. You can select it, and if it is an insured shipment, you can click over here as well. So this is the configuration that we have done for the Aramex shipping service. Now we will go and create a sales order. So let's create one sales order. We will add the customer. Here we will add the products. After adding the product, we here added the quantity, and now we will add the shipping. You will see that Aramex shipping service and go to get rate. Here the rate will be fetched over here. So after we have added the rate, we will confirm the sales order. So the delivery order gets created. We'll go to additional information and we will validate this. On validating the same, the tracking reference will be fetched over here and label will be generated. As you can see, the label is generated. You can see the tracking reference over here. You can also track from the smart button that is given to you over here. It will be redirected to the Aramex tracking page. As you can see, you can track the shipment directly. Here is the label. So here is the label that is generated and you can see the label as well. So this is all about Aramex shipping integration. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for your store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us at support@bazaartechnologies.com. Thank you.